Hi everybody! Today we're going to do some art and we're going to use a material that I'm sure you have a lot of in your house. And it's this, a mask. I'm sure you have a lot of these in your house, and what I want you to do is I want you to find an old one that you might just throw away. How do you know if it's an old one? What I like to do is I like to smell it.
Wow!
Oh yeah, that's an old one. Now that we have a perfect mask to use, we can start our project. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a face on the mask so that when you wear it, it'll give you a different kind of face. I'm recommending that you do a smile so that you can show people your smile when you have your mask on. You would just use this in your house. Don't wear it outside because this is an old mask. When you draw on the mask, you might notice that the mask is folded, and when you make it flat, it sits very nicely. But when it's on your face, it's going to open up. So you have to take care of that. If you draw on it when it's flat and then you put it on, it's going to look a little bit strange. So what can you do about that? What I recommend is that you use a bowl, something that's round, flip it over, and then put your mask and stretch it out over the top. Just like that, right over the bowl. In that way, you'll get that shape, and you can also draw on it a lot easier as well. Before you get started drawing your face onto the mask, what I want you to do is put the mask on, put it on your face, then go to a mirror, look in the mirror, and with a pencil, or if you have a piece of chalk, I want you to mark on the mask some of the features of your face. So you're going to mark where your smile ends, the corners of your mouth, and also underneath your nose. So corner of your mouth, bottom of your nose. There's the bottom of my nose. I'm marking it with a pencil. Perfect. And now the corner of my mouth. There's one corner. And there's another corner. And check, make sure you can see the mark. And you might have to go over it again. I'm just using a pencil. Now that I have my reference points, the bottom of my nose and the corners of my mouth when I'm smiling, I can start to draw. Use whatever materials you have in the house. Pencils or markers, chalk pastels, oil pastels, really anything that you have that you want to use. Remember, the mask is going to be porous. Porous means there are a lot of little holes in it, like a sponge. That's how the air goes through. So things like chalk are going to be a little bit more difficult to apply. You might have to go over 2 or 3 times with the chalk to color it. Okay, so that was fun. Now I've finished my mask, so let's try it on and see how it looks. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Okay, look at that. Wow. While I was drawing the face on it, I had to pull open the folds so that I could get inside. But there's still a few places I missed, so I'm going to use this brown oil pastel and I'm going to touch it up a little bit. So if you look in the mirror, you can put on the mask and then draw on top of it, and any places that you missed, you can just fix it up. So I'm adding a little bit here, whatever character that you want to do. That looks good. So whatever face that you want to make, if you want to make a human face or something that looks like yours, or want to make an animal face, a dog or cat or a zebra or a chimpanzee. Anything that you want to do. Let's try to make it happy so we can have a good time. And once you've finished your mask, put your mask on, take a photo of your face with the mask on, and then submit that to Google Classroom. And I look forward to seeing the masks that you make. All right. I'm going to say goodbye.